Welcome to Health Advisor. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Health Advisor. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most refreshing and versatile vegetables, the cucumber. Often celebrated for its crisp texture and subtle flavor, cucumbers offer more than just a refreshing bite. Join us as we explore the numerous health benefits that this humble vegetable brings to the table. Introduction of cucumber. Cucumber, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus, is a refreshing and versatile vegetable widely cultivated and enjoyed around the world. Belonging to the gourd family, cucumbers are characterized by their cylindrical shape, smooth green skin, and crisp texture. With a high water content, they are renowned for their hydrating properties, making them a popular choice for salads, sandwiches, and as a standalone snack. Cucumbers offer a mild, slightly sweet flavor that complements various dishes, and their low-calorie content makes them a healthy addition to any diet. Beyond their culinary appeal, cucumbers are also recognized for their skincare benefits, often used in beauty routines for their soothing and hydrating effects. Whether sliced, diced, or pickled, cucumbers continue to be a staple in kitchens worldwide, adding a delightful crunch and a burst of freshness to a wide array of culinary creations. Ingredients of cucumber. Cucumbers are refreshing and versatile vegetables commonly used in salads, sandwiches, and various dishes. The primary ingredient in cucumbers is water, which contributes to their crisp texture and hydrating properties. Here are the main components and nutrients found in cucumbers. 1. Water. Cucumbers have a high water content, which gives them their characteristic crispiness and helps keep the body hydrated. 2. Vitamins. Cucumbers are a good source of vitamins, particularly vitamin K. They also contain smaller amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, and some B vitamins. 3. Minerals. Cucumbers provide minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese. These minerals play essential roles in various bodily functions. 4. Antioxidants. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. 5. Dietary fiber. Cucumbers are a decent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. 6. Phytonutrients. Cucumbers contain phytonutrients with potential health benefits, such as cucurbitacin, lignans, and flavonoids. It's important to note that cucumbers are low in calories, making them a healthy and hydrating addition to meals. They are often enjoyed raw, but they can also be pickled or used in various recipes to add a crisp and refreshing element. Benefits of cucumber. Cucumbers offer several health benefits due to their nutritional composition and hydration properties. Here are some of the key benefits of consuming cucumbers. 1. Hydration. Cucumbers are composed mainly of water, which helps keep the body hydrated. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall health, as it supports bodily functions, nutrient transport, and temperature regulation. 2. Nutrient-rich. While low in calories, cucumbers are rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and various minerals. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. 3. Antioxidant properties. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, including beta-carotene, flavonoids, and tannins, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Antioxidants play a role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. 4. Supports digestive health. The dietary fiber in cucumbers contributes to digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. 5. Weight management. Cucumbers are low in calories and can be a satisfying and hydrating snack. Including them in your diet may contribute to weight management by providing a healthy, low-calorie option for those looking to reduce calorie intake. 6. Skin health. The silica content in cucumbers is believed to contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen production. Cucumbers also have a cooling and soothing effect when applied topically, making them a popular ingredient in skincare routines. 7. Heart health. The potassium content in cucumbers may help regulate blood pressure, promoting heart health. A diet rich in potassium is associated with a lower risk of hypertension. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cucumbers may have a beneficial impact on blood sugar levels, potentially aiding in the management of diabetes. 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumbers contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. It's worth noting that the benefits of cucumbers are part of a well-balanced and varied diet. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals contributes to overall health and provides a range of essential nutrients. Usage of cucumber. Cucumbers are a versatile vegetable that can be used in various ways in the kitchen. Here are some common and creative uses of cucumbers. 1. Salads. Cucumbers are a classic addition to salads, providing a refreshing crunch. They pair well with greens, tomatoes, onions, and a variety of dressings. 2. Snacking. Cucumbers make for a healthy and hydrating snack. Simply slice them and enjoy with your favorite dip, such as hummus or tzatziki. 3. Sandwiches and wraps. Add cucumber slices to sandwiches and wraps for an extra layer of texture and freshness. They work well in both cold and hot sandwiches. 4. Pickles. Cucumbers are commonly pickled to make pickles. Pickling cucumbers involves preserving them in a brine of vinegar, water, salt, and spices. Pickles can be enjoyed on their own or as a condiment. 5. Gazpacho. This cold soup, originating from Spain, often includes cucumbers along with tomatoes, peppers, onions, and other vegetables. It's a refreshing dish, especially in hot weather. 6. Sushi rolls. Cucumbers are a popular ingredient in sushi rolls, adding a crisp texture and mild flavor. They are often found in vegetarian sushi rolls. 7. Smoothies. Blend cucumbers into green smoothies for a refreshing and hydrating drink. Combined with fruits and leafy greens, cucumbers can add a nutritional boost. 8. Cucumber water. Infuse water with cucumber slices for a refreshing and lightly flavored beverage. This is a popular choice for spa water. 9. Cold noodle dishes. Cucumbers can be added to cold noodle dishes, such as Asian-style sesame noodles or cold soba noodles, for a refreshing element. 10. Dips and salsas. Dice cucumbers and add them to homemade salsas or yogurt-based dips for added texture and flavor. 11. Cucumber cups. Hollow out cucumber slices to create cups that can be filled with various toppings, such as hummus, tuna salad, or cream cheese. 12. Skincare. Cucumber slices are often used in skincare routines. Placing cucumber slices on the eyes is a popular remedy for reducing puffiness. Remember to wash cucumbers thoroughly, and consider buying organic or locally sourced cucumbers when possible. The skin of cucumbers is edible and contains additional nutrients, but some recipes may call for peeled cucumbers based on personal preference. As we wrap up our exploration of the benefits of cucumbers, it's clear that this humble vegetable has a lot to offer. From hydration to digestive health, antioxidants to beauty benefits, cucumbers are a nutritious addition to any diet. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider grabbing a crisp and cool cucumber. Your body will thank you. Thanks for joining us on Health Advisor, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.